Hello students, this is the first chapter of your book It So Happened, and the chapter name is How the Camel Got His Hump. This chapter is written by Rudyard Kipling. In this video we will discuss about the summary of this chapter. Okay, so let me start. In the beginning the world was new. The animals were just beginning to work for man. There was a camel. He lived in the middle of a howling desert. He did not want to work. He ate sticks and thorns. He said hump when anyone spoke to him. The horse went to him on Monday morning. He asked the camel to come out and trot. But the camel said hump. The horse told the man about it. The dog came to him. He asked him to work, but the camel said hump. The ox came to him. The camel said to him to hump. The man called the horse, the dog, and the ox. He told them about the camel. To compensate the camel's work, he asked them to work double time. The three animals got very angry. They held a panchayat. There came the jinn of all desert. The horse complained to the jinn about the camel. He told the jinn that the camel did not work. He said only hump. The jinn assured them that he would set the camel right. The jinn found the camel in the desert. He was looking at his reflection in water. The jinn asked him to work, but the camel said hump. But as soon as he said this, he saw something strange. He saw his beautiful back was puffing up. He was very proud of his back. Now it turned to be very ugly. The jinn told the camel that it was his own hump. He himself had brought it upon him by not working. The jinn ordered him to work, but the camel said that he could not work. The hump was a big hurdle. The jinn told the camel that the hump had a purpose. The camel had not done work for 3 days. He would always be able to work for 3 days without eating. He could live on his hump. The jinn asked the camel to behave properly. The camel went away to join the three. From that day, the camel always has a hump, but he was not caught up with his 3 days. He had missed them at the beginning of the world. He has not yet learned to behave. Okay student, so this was the summary of the chapter, How the Camel Got His Hump. Thank you.